How to sell on Lazada Malaysia tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to visit lazada.com of course, and you're going to look over here at the top section. You should be able to see here an option called sell on Lazada. So simply click on sell on Lazada over here, and you should be able to click on or view this section over here, register as a Lazada seller today. Simply click on sign up now, and you should be able to begin your process. So you're simply going to go through a series of steps, as you can see here. First, you're going to enter your different information. You're going to verify who you are, and after that, you should be able to enter necessary information like your ID, as you can see here, your bank account, and then you will then be able to easily upload products and start selling. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.